Here we go. Wow, look at the open space, guys. Here is your main living area. Nice kitchen, separate dining, and you have this beautiful living room area situation here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am here at the backyard of this single-story model home by Toll Brothers, and I'm excited for us to tour this together. So let us tour this together. Alright guys, this is the home by Toll Brothers. Nice pavement here. Right. Single story. For those people who love single story, raise your hands. Right? Right. That is the sales office currently, but that will be the garage. Like 3-car garage. Alright guys, are you ready? Let's take a look at this home. Kelton modern farmhouse. Knock knock. Ooh, wow, this is an open space, guys. You know, Toll Brothers has a reputation of really nice interiors. As you can see, height of the ceiling is probably 10 feet. Pretty high. All right, let's check out what's happening on this side of the room. Nice elements of wood design there, guys. Nice windows. Really huge. And this bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom, which is currently being renovated. As you can see, guys, this is the not owners, but ensuite bathroom. This is the closet. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the main living area? Let's do this. Let's check the main living area here. Wow, look at your office. So basically you can probably opt to have glass doors here if you want to close this but still want an open space like. But this is a very spacious office. You can put a lot of cabinetry here and still have some space here, guys. All right, you can do your conference here. All right, let's check out the main living area. Here we go. Wow, look at the open space, guys. Here is your main living area. Nice kitchen, separate dining, and you have this beautiful living room area situation here. Let's span from this corner of the living room so you can appreciate how big this open space is. And again, guys, all of their lots here are standard, but you can upgrade it to a much larger lot if you want. Between $15,000 to $15,000 and $22,000 if you want the lot premium. But look at the your backyard here. They're giving you an idea of how you would be able to customize it. We'll take a look at that one more time once we're done on the main living area. This is your dining. Love the huge windows there. Oh, there is a spa. There is a spa that I'm seeing there. Look at this beautiful home, guys. Single-story home. Raise your hand if you like single-story. Let's check out the kitchen. Nice cabinetry. right? All the way to the ceiling. And the use of this sink. Who loves white sink, guys? And this is your view from the kitchen area. This is a beautiful open space, guys. And what's in here? This might be your pantry. Yes, your pantry. You know, I like when the vent is like this. So one of you guys commented that they don't like a microwave on top of the stove, which makes sense because if you have this kind of vent, the grease can easily be removed. All right, guys, let's check out the other bedroom areas here, which we haven't looked at. So we're gonna go back on this area, guys, because there is the bedroom area here. On this side is your laundry area. Again, guys, if you want, we can talk to the builder if you wanted a bathtub for your dog there instead of a sink. And then you have a small bar area here. It's open, but it's on this side. This might be a garage. I don't know, maybe like a secret door. It's closed. Maybe it's the garage door. All right. This is your full bathroom, which can also be accessed by your guest and can also be accessed by this bedroom here, which is currently staged as your gym area slash hanging out area, television area, right? But this is definitely a bedroom if you want because you have that closet there. Hey guys. All right, so that's your secondary bedroom there. Okay, so let's go back there and check out the owner's bedroom. And the owner's bedroom is right off the kitchen. Look at your owner's bedroom. This is what I like, guys. When you have access to your backyard from your owner's bedroom. That makes a lot of sense because you can enjoy the view of your backyard from your bedroom. Really nice. And again, they are currently renovating the bathroom here, so we cannot enter, but I wanted to give you an idea of how it looks like. That's your shower there. And then this is your toilet area. That door there may be your closet, right? A double sink here. Huge windows there. Again, this is a nice bedroom. Lots of natural light from outside. Let's see if we can enter outside. If they will allow us to get outside. And yes, they did allow us. Look at your backyard. Right? And you have the beautiful bird. Is that on? I don't know what kind of bird is that, but right, you have a visitor. He is welcoming us. The bird is welcoming us. Wow, this is much needed, guys. This water feature here where you can do your You can lounge there and refresh yourself. Then you have your seating area here during the night. This is really nice. Barbecue area there. Right? Wow, I love this backyard. Again, you can put a swimming pool here. I've seen houses this size of the lot and they have swimming pool. So it's up to you guys, but definitely I like also the flooring there and this greenery here. This is a nice backyard here. All right, let's go back to the main area. Really beautiful house. Comment down below, guys. What do you think of this home? High ceilings, beautiful kitchen, beautiful backyard, separate dining area. What else can you ask for? And you have the office that we've looked at a while ago. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please let me know what you think of this beautiful single-story home. I'd really appreciate any feedback from you guys. And again, as usual, don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and also check out the channel page. If you're new to the channel, please check out the channel page. There's a lot of videos there. Until next time, see you tomorrow. Have a great day.